Nobody talks about how scary it is to go to school the day after a substitute leaves a bad note. Because one time, my class had a substitute who was an old lady, but she was super small and not intimidating. So the whole time she would try to teach, everyone would just mess around and talk over her. It got to the point where she had to scream just so everyone would be quiet. But after she did that, she said she'd be leaving our teacher a note about how bad we behaved. So the next day, I walk into the classroom and see a list of 7 names on the whiteboard, but one of them was mine. So the bell rings and the teacher goes, "Everyone sit down and don't say a word." So we did. Then the teacher says, "Never in my 35 years of teaching have I gotten a note this bad from a substitute." They left me a list with names of everyone who misbehaved, and all of you who are on it will be staying an hour after class for the next week writing an apology essay to the sub. So if you have a substitute, just